came home in between deployments. This is what he worked on.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, this was his baby.
We got that baby today.
Oh, sorry.
You know.
Yeah.
It is amazing. He said he was gonna help me get a bike. He did it. That's my man.
Well, we thank you too for this one. You get it.
And then the owner, my guy. Thank you very much. I appreciate everything. I cannot say it to my wife. She's gonna.
The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube? My brother-in-law just picked up a bike. My good brother Jatil hooked this up, and this is gonna be, I guess, the first on the channel of a new build series. So we're restoring this CBR600. So we had another bike on the channel that we had worked on. Shout out to Cody. We had did his forks. Now we're working on another one, and we're gonna have a good time. So in a couple of months, you're gonna see this thing next season ready to rock and roll. So that's just a preview. Wait for the rest of the video, and we'll see y'all later. Alright, so this is after we transported this. Now, ZX Predator is a Kawasaki guy, but Honda, not too mad at it. So my brother-in-law and I are trying to get the battery started. We had a couple other donator batteries, but you know, you have to have the right size. But I don't know what we're gonna call this one, but just like we did with my cousin Garvin's bike, we're gonna do a restoration project on this. You know, see episodes here and there. You know, I'm thinking we might even leave the white. Now that I look at it, the black, red, and white with this Honda CBR, it's a 600. You know, we might even use it together at the track or so. But yeah, or even get them all red. But oh, you see, the light wasn't passing before. But yeah, we were charging everything. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up just in case. Leave me. Oh damn, it's raining. But yeah. Oh, it's low. So we probably have to jump it. Yeah, it's a battery. But I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Jatil. He really like pulled a miracle for us. You know, so we're gonna work on getting this thing started. You know, but yeah, this bike, for the deal that he worked it was really cool. We appreciate you very much for this. And my brother-in-law now got a motorcycle. He's been a fixture on this channel for the longest. And you know, so me, him, my cousin Garvin just got married yesterday. So he's gonna be out of the bike scene until next season. But Veronica, I love you. I want my cousin back on the road. Not saying that you're gonna keep him from it. You've been nothing but supportive. I love you as a New Almera family member. But we're gonna do some work with this. He got his thing in order. So Zeus has a cousin per se, and we're gonna get this up and popping. We'll be back, folks. We have to do a little something. All right. So turns out, yeah, the battery is bad. So my brother-in-law and I are taking one of my spare ZX14 batteries, and we're gonna try to jury rig it just to get it started. You know, so God, really. All right, probably all the noise, all that. But we're just gonna get this thing fired up, and then that'll be the end of this episode. Where's this at? Alright, so yeah, the other battery is fried. It was freaking hot when we charged it. This is just cooling off. But yeah, so we're just doing our little Haitian tricks. But we have to head to Cycle Gear and get some support in terms of like, well, it just needs a battery. We're gonna check the stator and the rectifier, we're gonna do like the test and everything. We already put like the mount on this bad boy. Alright, and then we're gonna pass the key. Before the bike didn't even do anything, but
Check to see if you.
okay. Mill okay?
That's how we got.
Oh, you see, it actually fires up. Headlight come on. Alright, so it's a little weak. The wires are weak. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So if we do a direct connection, I think we'll freaking. Yeah, there might be a short somewhere else. All right. So we gotta do something a little different. Cause this battery was giving a little bit of a headache. You get that one? Okay. Yeah. Like Bob Morton said, you're gonna be a bad mother. Shut your mouth. But it's just, cause yeah, nothing. I remember when I first went to prospect the machine. I said, hey, you know, he can have his A to B commuter and double as a track bike, cause this bad boy is a little too much power. But yeah, what got boy? Oh, onde bui, Deva. E place o bagay. Si vous venez là, ça t'a bon. You just have to fasten it a little bit.
That's what we had number.
Okay. Alright, so. Got the bad boy started. Como é barulho? Okay, it's just the battery. Okay, now that's too much. Okay, no worries. We'll be so we're doing the checking the stator. Alright, so okay, Misho. Alright, so right now it's resting at 13. Okay, balance, guys. Okay, perfect. Alright, so poor thing just needed a battery. But we're gonna let it idle for a little bit. But so far, let's check the high beam, make sure. Oh man, we're gonna keep the high beam on. Okay, it look better with two headlights. But so far, there's nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. Because if it was too low, you would see it, you know. But alright, folks, that'll conclude this episode. But yeah, we got this bad boy running. So I'm gonna do a separate video for Detail to let him know that we got this thing. There's nothing we can't do. We just need a damn battery. That's a ZX14 battery starting this thing. So alright, we're out.